I want to just get a quick before and after of this close-up of the balsa or water reservoir, just so you have an idea of what we're up against. I've started clearing, but I'll just get a shot of the state of it. But there are two states worth mentioning. The condition it's got into through neglect, and it's originally constructed by hand. So if you look, we've got those pine trees growing in there. Yeah, it's just so neglected. But if you look from the inside, they're still flat. You can see how perfectly done it was, all by hand. Look at those top stones. Those just don't appear in the ground for you to pick up and put on there. They have been crafted as the top layer to cap the wall. And it's like everything here. So this will serve as our before and after. Just about to get in there to get those pine trees down.